Welcome to Real Internet Cash TV. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now in this video, I'm going to be talking about a program that's been around several years, and I'm going to give my opinion on whether or not I think it's a good idea for new affiliate marketers and network marketers to get involved with. Now the name of this company is called My Lead Gen Secrets. All right. Now just to be clear, I am currently not affiliated with My Lead Gen Secrets. Maybe in the future I will, I don't know, but I just did my little investigation. I've seen several videos on it and I have my own opinion, so take them for what that's worth. All right, so anyway, My Lead Gen Secrets is a system where someone can sign up, right, and they will start getting leads every day sent to them, where they can actually market to these leads. They're actually able to get, I think it's like 100 leads a day or something, and you're able to actually send an email out promoting whatever it is you're promoting. So if you are into affiliate marketing or network marketing, you can send people emails promoting your business, whether it be, now most cases now you probably want to send them to a squeeze page, a page where you're going to collect a name and an email, or just the email. Now you probably could send it people directly to a sales page in your emails, but in most cases you probably want to send them to a squeeze page, landing page, whatever you want to call it. So do I think this is a good idea for new affiliate marketers or network marketers? And in my opinion, yeah, I mean, I would give it a shot. Why? Because I've seen several videos on My Lead Gen Secret where some people, they were not happy at all with this program, right? And other people are making a killing with this system, because if you didn't know, once you join My Lead Gen Secrets, not only can you promote your business, via email and sending it to your leads, but you can actually promote My Lead Gen Secrets and become an affiliate and start earning a monthly income from My Lead Gen Secrets, right? So I think that is a plus when it comes to that. So every program, no matter what it is, they're gonna have negative reviews, right? It's just part of the game. So this is why I'm leaning more towards giving it a shot. If you see it and you really like, I'm new, I'm not really good with doing my own, I'm not really on social media yet, I'm not promoting on Facebook, or I'm not doing TikTok videos yet, and you really just want to get traffic, this could be a good solution to help you get going. All right, now you will see some YouTubers who promote this. They say, oh, you can make a ton of money and get a lot more leads by buying, you can buy 3 and 4 accounts and stack them up and become your own affiliate. Now that might be a good ass idea, but if once again you're new to affiliate marketing, you might not be trying to do all that, because A, you're gonna have to pay for these accounts, right? And B, you gotta really make sure your emails and what you're promoting is on point before you spending out all this money on subscriptions and you don't even know really what's selling yet, what's working for you. But that's just my opinion. All right. So yeah, my take on it, if you are new to it or maybe just been struggling, with making sales or whatever, I would lean towards giving it a shot, because hey, you can quit at any time. If it's not giving you results, just stop your subscription. You know what I'm saying? Because I think it's like $27 to $30 a month for one account with My Lead Gen Secrets, I believe. All right. So now, to be fair too, don't do it for a week and then quit. I would at least give this program 2 to 3 months to see, did you get any kind of traction from the emails that you send out? Did any of the leads turn out to, turn into a sale or whatever? Then, then determine, do you want to stick with it? Don't try it for a week or even a month. Try it for 2-3 months and see what happens with it. Also, see if, you decide to promote the program, hey, you might start making, a monthly income. So that that maybe want to make you stay in the program. So that's my take on it. My Lead Gen Secrets, it's been around for a while. It's probably going to keep on being around. So That's my take on it. All right. Now, if you are looking for affiliate marketing training and a system that can earn you $50, $150, and even $300 commissions, you need to watch this video right here, right now.